If you are among the 20% of adults who have difficulty falling asleep, you may be looking for ways to get more rest. Drinking an herbal tonic like lemon ginger tea could be a soothing bedtime rituals to let you lose free. Lemon ginger tea is exactly what it sounds like, a gentle herbal infusion of fresh lemon and ginger with a bit of sweetener like honey if you choose. You might be wondering if lemon ginger tea has any unique health benefits. While it may not make you sleepy, it might help you wind down and relax and provide other benefits. Hello viewers, welcome back to Nuru Veda. Today in this video, we explain 7 health benefits of bedtime lemon ginger tea. Can lemon ginger tea help you reduce body pain? Is it safe to drink during pregnancy? We will explore all these and more. So let's get started. Number 1. Soothes indigestion. If chronic indigestion or a heavy diner keeps you up late and troubling you, then a cup of lemon ginger tea might be a great tonic before you head for bed. Ginger is a root long used in alternate and Ayurvedic medicine for its ability to clean your stomach. What's more, lemon contains a plant compound called limonene that aids digestion by helping move your food along your digestive tract, thereby potentially easing the uncomfortable feeling of fullness. Number 2. Reduces nausea. Ginger has long been used for its ability to help reduce nausea, which many people experience during pregnancy or chemotherapy, or in many other situations. One review article found that ginger prevented and reduced nausea and vomiting related to chemotherapy as effective as modern medicines. Scientists recognize gingerol as one of the primary plant compounds responsible for this effect. A warm infusion of lemon and ginger appears to be most effective at helping stave off nausea related to pregnancy. A lemon ginger infusion is generally regarded as safe during pregnancy and will help you sleep peacefully. Number 3. Boost immunity. Ginger have anti-inflammatory and antioxidative properties that give immunity a boost. Lemons may have vitamin C, which act as an immune defense against different kinds of infection. Both lemon and ginger are known around the world as immune system booster. So, it makes sense that lemon ginger tea might comprehensively protect you from pathogens and illness. When you are suffering from a cold or flu, simply drink 1 to 2 cups of this tea and you may begin to see an improvement and reduction in your symptoms. Number 4. Manage diabetes. When it comes to blood sugar regulation, ginger might help in reducing the risk of some chronic complication of diabetes. By optimizing the release of insulin and blood sugar in your body, you might be able to prevent the dangerous spike and drops in the blood sugar that can lead to diabetes. The American Diabetes Association has already declared lemons to be a diabetes superfood, so make yourself a steaming cup of lemon ginger tea right away. Number 5. Relieve pain. The possible natural anti-inflammatory nature of ginger can not only reduce irritation, swelling and inflammation in the body, but might also function as an analgesic. According to a study, consuming ginger for 15 days can reduce the muscle pain and relieve fatigue. Therefore, drinking a cup of lemon ginger tea may help you recover from your body pain, menstrual cramps, illness and surgeries. Number 6. Improve your mood. Beside from the effects of lemon ginger tea on concentration and cognitive function, both lemon and ginger individually are also known to be mood boosters. There is a good reason why lemon is so commonly used in aromatherapy approaches, and why ginger is used to relieve tension and lower stress hormone levels in your body. These combined effects can definitely make you feel happier and more in control of your emotions. Number 7. Provides a moment of mindfulness. Having comforting rituals like a nightly cup of lemon ginger tea can have the added benefits of giving you a moment of quiet reflection. Think of it as an opportunity to practice mindfulness. Mindfulness practice is not just for relaxation, it can be a health booster too. One review study found that mindfulness may help you process negative emotions and live your day with more happiness. What's more, when you allow lemon peel to steam under your nose in your cup of warm lemon ginger tea, you diffuse lemon's essential oil, which may be beneficial. Before bedtime or whenever you can set aside 5 to 10 minutes, try sitting down with a hot cup, allowing yourself to slow down and connect with your inner self. That's it for today. If you like our video, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest update on the videos. If you have any suggestions, write to us in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care.